Why is it important na mag-resonate yung ginagawa natin dun sa gusto nating market?
When someone optimizes a profile kasi, anong nangyayari, we want to make the prospect understand us kung anong ginagawa natin, which is wrong. Na hindi dapat yung ginagawa natin yung naiintindihan nila, baliktad.
Right.
Dapat ang profile natin, pag nabasa nila, sasabihin nila, gets ako nitong taong. Most profile right now, maybe look at your own profile, maybe yung nakasulat doon, pinapaintindi mo yung ginagawa mo, hindi kung gaano ka kagaling although there should be a touch of your credentials, pero supplement na lang yun. What happens kasi is, ang worry ng mga tao ngayon, wala akong testimonial, ganon, hindi pa ako magaling sa skill, wala akong certificate. Yun yung parang kailangan alam natin yung point ni prospect. Parang have you even thought about that? Di ba? Parang naisip na ba yan before you think about your credentials?